So with Apple just yesterday releasing the first public beta of iOS 26, a lot of people are going to want to get in on it and check it out, especially for all the new liquid glass and new features that have come along. And if this is you, I want to show you just how easy it is today to get into the beta program and begin using iOS 26. So before we actually deep dive into it, I want to preface this video by letting you know a couple of things. First things first, make sure you do have a backup in place. If you don't have a backup to iOS 18.5 or whatever you're running relative to 18, you would not be able to downgrade from iOS 26 back to iOS 18.5 or whatever version you're running. This is super important if you find issues with battery life, bad performance, or just simply don't like it. So, having said that, make sure you do have a backup, whether it's an iCloud backup or a hardcore value backup on your desktop computer or Mac, whatever you want to call it, and then you'll be good to go. Also, you're going to make sure you have a compatible device, which is everything iPhone 11 and newer. And again, the older your device, the less tweaked it will be for iOS 26. Just keep that in mind. Older devices always seem to have more issues, as Apple seems to cater these to obviously their newer devices. Once you have ensured these two steps are set, all you're going to want to do is go into your browser and go to beta.apple.com. When you do, you'll be greeted with this page right here, letting you know all about Apple's beta program and to sign in. So, one call out that I didn't mention also, if you do happen to download this beta, keep in mind you will want to probably update your watch, your AirPods, and all of your other devices as well to get all of those features. So once you go to this website, you're simply going to say sign up. It'll ask you for all your login information. We will sign in. Let me go ahead and do this right now. And once you're signed in, you will see the guide for beta software. So iOS is obviously what you're going to want, but if you did want iPad OS, you have all these. You can scroll over, get watch OS like we said. But for this video, we're just going to talk about iOS, and you're going to be able to scroll down, and it's going to give you an update on how to get started. So you're going to want to enroll your device. When you click on that, it's letting you know again, reminding you to have a backup in store and to turn on beta updates. So when you do this, you're going to want to open beta updates, and you can see now we have all of these options here that now populated on our iPhone 16e. So we have obviously the public beta and developer beta for iOS 18, and then what you're going to be looking at here is the public beta or dev beta for iOS 26. You will not see the developer beta option if you are not a paid registered developer. Keep that in mind. You will just see the iOS 26 public beta and iOS 18 public beta listed. And then all you're going to want to do is simply select which option you want. So public beta, give it a second, and then you'll be able to go back and it should populate that update for you in a few seconds. Sometimes it's instantaneous, sometimes it does take a little bit, but this is where you will see the update screen in order to pull in iOS 26 public beta 1. There it is. So you can see it's coming in at 15.36 gigs on the 16e here, and you'll just simply press update now if that's what you want to do. It is really that easy. Again, running the beta 4 re-release and the public beta having the same build number, I can say in a little less than 24 hours, battery life has been pretty consistent. The device hasn't gotten as warm as it has in the past, and everything micro stutters seem to be pretty much resolved. The only issue I was really having here is with face unlock, simply just not registering sometimes and then having to relock the phone and unlock it to trigger it again. But if you want to check out battery intelligence, if you want to see the new liquid glass redesign and all of the new features in messaging and phone and all that, that's as simple as it is to get started. Let me know what you guys think and if you take the plunge. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.